pair for each point graphed at the right. So looking over here, we want to find Q. It is right here. Always start at the origin. First go left or right. So who can tell me? Are you going to go right or left? Left. And then how many places? 5. Okay, so is that a positive 5 or negative 5? Okay, so I'm going to write that down so I don't forget. Negative 5. And then how much do you go up to get to Q from there? 2. Okay. Positive 2. What about number 2? Okay, because here's P. Go to the right 3. So is that positive or negative? And then what? Great. Number 7, you need to graph. If you did a quick graph, and again, you can plot all of your points on one graph, but for C, it would be a negative 3, and then a negative 2, and then what quadrant is it in? Yes. It's in quadrant. Yep, because this is quad 1, 2, and again, we use Roman numerals, so that is quad 3, and then make sure you also label that point when you do these on your assignment today. Then we have number 9, the difference. What does difference mean? Subtract. So the difference of 2 temperatures is 4. If X represents the first temperature, why is that important to know?
X is going to be the biggest number.
Not,
first number?
Yeah, it has to be the first because it's subtracting commutes it. You switch the order around. You can't. So it's important to know that. So it's going to be X minus Y, and this is going to equal, is means equals what? Yeah. 4, good. So when I solve this, again, I'm going to use X here, Y here. I can choose a number for X. You can choose a 2. You could choose a 1. It's getting you some points on your graph. So let's choose a 2. Ooh, this might be tricky. 2 minus what number is going to give me 4? What do you think? Yeah? Negative 2. Let's check it out. Leave, change, opposites. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Nicely done. So this is a negative 2. How about a 1 here? 1 minus what is going to give me 4? Yeah. Negative 1. Let's try it out. 1 plus 1 is, so do you know what it should be instead? Yeah, negative 3 will work. So leave, change, opposite, then you'll get it. So if that's a negative 3, what about a 0 here? What would you get then? A negative 4. One last one. What about if I did a negative 1? So negative 1 minus what? It's going to give me a positive 4. What do you think? 5. Okay, 5. Positive or negative? Positive. So leave, change, opposite. This gives me a negative 6. Positive. Negative. It would be a negative 5. That's what you just... Oh, no, you said a positive. Yes, it's supposed to be a negative. There you go. Then we're going to graph this out. If you would, on your assignment, doesn't it say that? Graph the ordered pairs. So a graph at least 3 points. So positive 2, negative 2. This is not a very well drawn graph. Positive 1, negative 3. 0, negative 4. Negative 1, negative 5. If I were to connect my dots, who can describe the line? Who can describe the dots once they're connected? Yeah, they make a straight line. Nicely done, guys. Anyone know the y-intercept there? 5.